Hey everybody, it's Mary. Thanks for stopping by my kitchen again. Today we are going to make a taco soup in the crock pot. Who doesn't like taco soup? And folks, I use my crock pot all the time. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get all my seasonings put in there. And folks, I took the time to measure these out before I got on camera. If you appreciate not watching me measure all those different seasonings, tell me so in the comments. Otherwise, on the next video, I can sit and take all that extra time. I don't have that extra time to watch lots of videos being dragged out, do you? Let me know about that in the comments as well. Okay, back to the subject. Okay, I will put, of course, the amounts and the spices of everything, but I'll give you a quick go over right here. Okay, I have oregano, red pepper flakes, chili powder, ground black pepper, salt, smoked paprika, cumin, and beef bouillon powder. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add all that into my crock pot. Okay, folks, I'm going to move all these seasonings and then get ready to put the next amount of stuff in my crock pot. Okay, I'm going to add water. Okay. And I'm going to add some garlic, folks. You can, by all means, use fresh minced garlic. You can use the dried garlic powder, but I happen to have just a chopped garlic from the grocery store. So it all depends on what you want. I'm going to drain the water off of it, and I'm going to put 2 teaspoons, I'm sorry, of garlic in here. Stir this up. This already smells so good. Anytime I smell garlic in anything, guys, it's just a win-win for me. Okay, now we can do one of 2 things here. We can put a couple of cans of just regular pinto beans from the grocery store, but I'm not going to do that. I happen to have a quart of beans that I had canned, so I'm using my home canned beans because, folks, we all know home canned is better than store-bought. Shh. Okay, so I'm just going to put those in here. There we go. And the same for, this is basically the same thing as rotel. I have a rotel that I'll be putting in there. Oh, and I hadn't opened that one. Okay, open a rotel, and we'll put that in there. And folks, I don't have a jar of oven roasted tomatoes to show you like I did the other 2 jars, but these are oven roasted tomatoes that I canned this past summer. So I'm going to add that in there. Nice, thick, and folks, those smell amazing, let me tell you. I'm going to stir this up, and I'm going to get everything starting to preheat and cook while I have our ground beef cooking. Okay, I have my pan heating up. I just sprayed it with non-stick spray. Guys, probably don't need it, but it's a habit, so it is what it is. Okay, I have about 3.5 pounds of fresh ground beef. Actually, this is from one of our steers that we butchered. You can use homegrown or you can use store-bought, doesn't matter. Okay, I have a large onion. Now folks, this will cook down some. And I have some bell peppers. We'll put about a half a cup of bell peppers just to give it just a little bit of flavor in there. Okay. And I'm just going to stir this periodically until it's cooked all the way through and browned. Alright, our ground beef, onions and peppers are browned. So put it over into a strainer and drain the grease and any excess moisture that comes out of here, because if you remember, the peppers were frozen, so there is extra liquid in there. Just move it around for a couple of minutes, and then we'll be ready to add this to our crock pot. Take the lid off the crock pot, and we'll bring our meat over here, stir it up. Now that's going to be a big pot full of soup, guys. Okay, I'm just going to stir this up, and we're going to let the flavors blend. Okay, you can cook this on low for 5 to 6 hours, or you can cook it on high for 2 to 3 hours. It just depends on the time frame that you've got and when you want it done. But I'll show you what it looks like whenever I dish it up. Alright, we have finished up this soup. It is sit and simmered for probably about 5 hours or so. If you like, you can put sour cream on it. You can put cheese in there. You can serve it with a few crackers, which is what I'm going to do. Or you can alter the recipe just a little bit, and you can put some cream cheese in there and make it like a creamy taco soup. Whatever your flavor is, folks. But thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.